Hey guys, what's going on? Yaman here with what I think is the best mechanical RGB keyboard for under 50 bucks. Here's my review and unboxing of the Redragon K551. As you can see, here's the box for the Redragon Vara keyboard. I've got the RGB variant, as you can see by the sticker. I'm pretty sure the boxes are the same for each variant, but they just slap on the sticker for the RGB one. Anyways, let's get inside the box. Nice bubble wrap packaging with the cable tied. Let me just pull this out. It's actually kind of heavy. It feels really premium. I can already tell from my first impression. And this looks like a sticker. They gave a sticker, that's pretty nice. And it looks like a keycap remover. And then of course the manual inside. Yeah, this is definitely a keycap remover if my camera wants to focus. But yeah, you can customize your keycaps on this keyboard as well. Pretty nice touch. Let's put this bag to the side and then pull this out of the bubble wrap. The keyboard feels surprisingly sturdy for this price point. It feels like a much higher end keyboard if you ask me. It's got some weight to it. I kind of like it. Here it is in its true flesh. It's a little thick, not too thick, but it does have some shape and weight to it. And you can see the Redragon branding over here. Here's another side look at the keyboard. And the keys tactile, of course. It is a mechanical keyboard after all. And then you've got a gold plated USB connector. All these little nice touches, they all add up. Now, in terms of switches, as far as this keyboard goes, this keyboard is actually rocking some Otemu blue switches, which are basically the equivalent of, you could say, Cherry MX blue switches, as you can see over here as I remove the keycap. They're basically, you could say, a cheaper version of Cherry MX switches, but they've got the exact same feel and are basically equivalent. As you can see, they're tactile just like Cherry Blues, and you can pretty much push them on any edge of the keycap and the whole switch will go down flush. Pretty tactile. Now the keyboard's also got this nice arch going from top to bottom. I guess you could say it's like an ergonomic touch the company added. It's also got an aluminum backplate in here actually between the keys, so just this little touch that the company added to make it much more premium. Here's something that a lot of you probably wanted to see, the RGB backlighting of this keyboard, which frankly I think Redragon did a really good job with this keyboard. Now here are some of the lighting effects. The lighting on this keyboard actually is quite bright, even in a well lit room, which I like. Now unfortunately though, there's no software per se for editing the lights. You manually have to use the keyboard using FN, insert, home, page up, delete, end, and page down. But regardless, here are some of the effects. Now here's the actual Amazon product page for this keyboard, the Redragon Vara. Here you can see some photographs of it, and you can see still under 50 bucks to this day. They've got a couple of variants of it. Here's the non-RGB one, which you can tell is actually quite cheaper. And then they've got the red backlit version, the traditional red. And I don't really understand why there's these two different versions. I'm assuming the difference is one is rainbow backlit, the other one's fully RGB, but the price difference is so insignificant, which makes me, or rather which makes it hard to comprehend for me why they offer it. Anyways, I'll leave a link to the product in the description. Oh, and one more thing, I forgot, it's also got some kickback or stand-up switches, whatever you like to call them. They're really sturdy and they've got this like rubber on them. All signs of a high quality keyboard. They can barely move once you put it down on it. It's really nice. Keep in mind, while this keyboard does have blue switches, it's not going to be the quietest of keyboards. It's definitely going to make some noise, as you can hear. In terms of typing though, and typing speed overall, it's a pretty decent keyboard. I like it. It's decent, but it's not great. I can type decently fast on it. If you need to write a paper or something, you can definitely get the job done on this. It'll do more than enough. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in the keyboard, I've left its Amazon link in the description. If this video helped you at all, please leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching.